love a smoothie because it makes for a quick meal replacement or a delicious, nutritious dessert. Thank you guys so very much for being here. I'm Deborah. Welcome to Fit Fat 50. And today's recipe is a quick, delicious, nutritious, high protein smoothie. And as you can see, I've got all the ingredients laid out in front of me. A few simple ingredients, a few minutes, you guys, and you've got exactly what I said. A quick, delicious meal replacement or a fast dessert. So get all of the ingredients that I have on the screen. Join me back here and I will show you how to put it all together coming up next. All right, guys, so the base of this is my go-to, which is cottage cheese. Again, high in protein, low in carbs. What I do when I purchase it, I go ahead and put it into my NutriBlender and I get all the curds out, make it smooth and creamy, put it back in the fridge. So again, when I'm ready, it is ready. So I decided today, instead of mixing the berries together, I'm gonna do one part of frozen mango and then the second part frozen strawberries. You guys, this is your recipe. You choose the fruit of your choice, but this is what I have on hand and I think it's going to make a delicious combination. So in the container for my NutriBlender, I'm going to put half of this smooth and creamy cottage cheese, some sweetener, half of the protein. And again, if I was mixing these berries together, I would just dump it all into this container. All right, you guys, and I'm gonna start with the frozen mango. And then some more ice. Now, depending upon how thick you want it, will definitely determine how much ice you put in this, and or if you wanted to add some almond milk. Okay. Put the lid on this. Bring over that NutriBullet and blend. Okay, guys, let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, we have got ourselves a winner here. There's a little bit of ice at the bottom. Let me give this just one more quick blend, and then that will take care of that. And then we move on to the strawberry. Okay, everyone, now this is ready. Look how creamy that is. Oh, okay. All right, so let's set this aside. And, oh, actually I got a little bit in this lid. I do not want to waste any of this. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside, give this a rinse, and then we are going to move on to the strawberry. Okay, everyone, I have another container. So to it, I am going to add the rest of my smooth and creamy cottage cheese. And once again, the separate containers is not necessary. This is just how I decided to make it today. On another day, I may decide just to mix all the berries together. It is all that I'm in the mood for at that particular point in time, making it my own kind of special. Okay. And that's the beauty about cooking at home, is that you control everything. You control the ingredients, you control how you want to put it together. And when you do that, you guys, you will find that you never get bored. All right. My sweetener, protein powder, the strawberries, and some more ice. Put the lid on this. bring over the blender and mix. All right, guys, let's open this up and give this a look. Oh yeah, that is ready. You guys, I'm so happy right now. I'm getting ready to get even happier because I'm going to put this into my serving container and we are going to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, here is my serving container with my reusable glass straw. And now it's time to serve up this deliciousness. And here we have it, you guys. A strawberry mango, delicious, nutrient-rich smoothie. Let's give this deliciousness a taste. Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh, this is so good. I love the fact that I did the strawberry and the mango separate because when I'm tasting this, I get a hint of the strawberry by itself and then a hint of the mango by itself, and then when it comes together, it's just an explosion of deliciousness. So good, you guys. Give this a try and leave in the comments that you did and let everybody know just how phenomenal and how quick and easy this actually is. And while you're at it, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and remember to turn on the post notification bell so that you will always know when I upload content such as this. You guys, I'm a happy person right now, I'm telling you. Again, a quick meal replacement or a delicious dessert is what this is. Remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. And enjoy.